Hello student, we are doing the exercise 2 in angles, okay, and I have explained till question number 3rd to find the complementary angles. So now we are going to solve the question number 4, 5, 6, 7. I am going to explain one by one, and I hope you have already completed the previous questions, okay. So look how we solve the question. Open your book at page number G12, exercise 2. Okay, question number 4. Write the supplementary angles are the supplement. Okay, write the supplement are the supplementary angle of each of the following. So look here how we solve the questions. Question number 4. Third part of this question. The third part of this question is 25 degree and 40 minute. Okay, so look here how we solve. We are going to find the supplementary angle. So by definition of the supplementary angle, the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. So solution of this question is supplementary angle of 25 degree 40 minute is equal to 180 minus 25 degree and 40 minutes. So we have to break this 180 degree into degree and minutes. So look here, therefore we can write 180 degree is equal to 179 degree and 60 minute, and we have to subtract from this 25 degree and 40 minute. So subtract this number, it gives 20 minute. Now 9 minus 5, 4, 7 minus 2, 5 and 1. So this is our required answer. This is the supplementary angle of the given question. Okay, write down in your form. Now we solve the sixth part of this question number 4, and we are going to find the supplementary angle of the given angle. Okay, this is the 103 degree 14 minute and 46 second. One dash is for the minute, double dash is for the second. Okay, and this is the symbol for the degree. So solution of this question: supplementary angle of 103 degree 14 minute and 46 second is equal to 180 degree minus 103 degree 14 second and 40 minute and 46 second. Okay, 180 degree minus 103 degree 14 minute and 46 second. So therefore we write 180 degree into degree, minute and second. So this can be write 179 degree 59 minute and 60 second. So we have to subtract from this 103 degree 14 minute and 46 second. Subtract this one, 10 minus 6 gives 4. Now 5 minus 4 gives 1. 9 minus 4, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. Now 7. This is our required supplementary angle of the given angle. Okay, write down, and the rest question is the homework for you. Okay, now we are going to solve the question number 5. in this question it is asking that the choose the pair of the supplementary angles. Okay, so by definition you know that already. If the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then that pair is called the supplementary angle. It means that we have to add these two pairs, and if their sum is equal to 180 degree, definitely these two pair is called the supplementary angle. So let us start to solve the question. We add 90 degree, 40 minute, 160 degree and 20 minutes. Add these two numbers, then it gives 60 minutes. Now 9, 7, 1, 0. As you know that 1 degree is equal to 160 minute is equal to 1 degree. So this can be written as, so therefore 179 degree and 60 minute, this can be written as 179 degree and 1 degree. So this is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore the given pair of angle are supplementary angle. And this is our required answer. Okay, so we have to add these angles. If their sum is equal to 180 degree, then this is called the supplementary angle. Okay, write down it. Now we are going to solve the third part of question number 5. We are going to check these are the pair of supplementary angle or not. So definitely we have to add this angle. If their sum is equal to 180, then these are called the supplementary angle. If its sum is less than or greater than, then definitely it is not the pair of supplementary angle. So we are going to add this angle 54 degree and 36 minute and 136 degree and 24 minute. Now we add these angles. 6 plus 4 10, 1 carry, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 60 minute. Now 6 plus 4 10, 1 carry, 5 plus 3 and 1 8 9. So here you can see that this is the 190 degree, which is more than the 180. Definitely these are not the pair of the supplementary angle. Okay, so here we can write, since 190 degree and 60 degree, this can be written as 190 plus 1 degree, and this is equal to 191 degree, and which is greater than 180 degree. Okay, so therefore the given pair of angle are not supplementary angle. Okay, so write down this question in your copy and try to solve the rest question. Now we are going to solve the question number 6. In this question it is asking that choose the pair of complementary angles. Okay, I have taken the first part of this question, 140 degree and 40 degree. Complementary angle. So by definition of the complementary angle, if the sum of two angle is equal to 90 degree, then definitely both the pair are called the complementary angle. And if their sum is less than or greater than 90 degree, then it is not the pair of the complementary angle. So we are going to solve solution of this one. So since 140 plus 40 is equal to 180 degree, so this is greater than 90 degree. So therefore the given angles are not complementary angle. Okay, It is clear? Okay, write down in your copy. Okay, look here. Now we are going to solve the third part of question number 6. Okay, we are going to check these pair are the complementary angle or not. So we have to add the given angle. Solution. So 69 degree and 24 minutes, 20 degree and 36 minutes. Add this one, then 10, 1 carry, 5 plus 1, 6, now 9 and 6 plus 2, 8. Since 89 degree and 60 minutes can be written as 89 degree plus 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. So this is give 90 degree. Okay, so here you can see that their sum is equal to 90 degree. Definitely these pair of angle are the complementary angle. So therefore the given angle are complementary angle. Complementary angle. Okay, it is clear? Okay, write down in your copy.